Hi, this is our 8th video, and in this one we're still working on how to post assignments, but this video is going to show you how to post an assignment that you want the students to view. This means the students cannot open it and type on it, they can't share it, they can't do anything except for to look at it. So I'm going to show you the steps, which are pretty similar to the other ones, but just so you have an example of that type of posting. So I'm going to go to Google Classroom, click on Practice Classroom, go to your classwork section. So I'm going to show you how to post something that I want kids to use as a resource, but I don't want them to write on. I'm going to go to Create. I'm going to create an assignment. This is going to be my COPS resource, which if you are, this is an editing checklist. That I want the kids to be able to see it, but they're not going to do anything. So I can say click. So this means something to third graders. It means to check your capitalization, organization, punctuation, and your spelling. So they already know that. So I'm going to come over here to add. This document is already in my Drive, so I'll click on Drive. And again, I can go to Recent to find it, or I could go to My Drive to find it. I've had it up pretty recently, so there it is. This is what I want to show them. So I'm going to click on COPS. I'm going to click Add, and now it's in here. When I come over to this part, you have the down arrow, so that means you have choices, because this is a document that I got from my Drive. Google Classroom, when you post a document, it always gives you 3 options: to view, to make a copy for each student, or each student can edit. So this is the last type. So this is when you want every kid to have their own copy, write on it and return it to you. This is when you have a document that you want everybody to share together, and then they are going to return it to you. Or this is students can view. And this is what you want for this type of situation, because you don't want them to do anything to it. So you can click on view. This is actually the default that comes up. You want to go and do the same thing you always do. Make sure you know what class, which students. I'm going to mark it ungraded because it's just a piece of material to look at. I don't need a due date. This is a writing tool, so I'm going to put it under the topic of writing. And then I am going to assign. So remember, you always have 3 choices: assign, schedule for a specific time to post, or save as draft. I'm going to assign. And now that editing checklist is here. And from a student view, which I'll do in a different video, when they click on this, the only thing that can happen is that the only thing they can do is look at it. And so if that's a type of material that you want to post for your class, the students can view option is what you want to do. So for your assignment for the 8th part of this course is to figure out what kind of a document might you want to post in your classroom that you only want the kids to view, the type of thing that you don't want them to type on. So if you can go and either create a document that fits that category, or if you have something that you want to show them to view, then you can post that. And just like the other times, go to your practice classroom, create an assignment, attach the assignment as students can view, share it with your student/colleagues, and then see if it worked. So when you're done with that, you can click mark as done. Good luck.